Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to accept friend requests on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. This will bring you to your main Steam dashboard where you can access all of your games and social features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Friends. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several social options related to managing your Steam connections and interactions with other players. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add a Friend. Even though it might seem counterintuitive since you're trying to accept a request rather than send one, this is actually where Steam houses all of your friend request management tools, including both incoming and outgoing requests. Now, look at the left panel of the window that just opened. You'll notice several options listed there for managing different aspects of your friend connections. Click on Pending Invites. This section displays all the friend requests that are currently waiting for your response, allowing you to review who wants to connect with you on Steam. In the Pending Invite section, you'll see a list of all the users who have sent you friend requests. Each request will show the person's Steam username and profile picture if they have one. Right beside each name, you'll notice an Accept button. Simply click Accept next to the name of the person whose friend request you want to approve. Once you click this button, that person will be added to your Steam friends list immediately, and you'll both be able to see each other's online status, game activity, and communicate more easily through the Steam platform. And that's it. You've successfully accepted a friend request on Steam and expanded your gaming network. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.